Today, we bring you a somber update on a historic landmark that has stood tall in the heart of California for decades. On November 7, 2023, the iconic Tustin Hangar, once a symbol of aviation prowess, succumbed to a devastating fire.
I don't think anybody has seen a job like this before.
Flames erupted from the roof of Hangar Number 1, casting an eerie glow as it was consumed by the flames. Over 17 stories high, 1,000 feet long, and 300 feet wide, the North Hangar was one of the largest wooden structures ever built. Built in the 1940s, the blimp hangar played a critical role in Navy aviation. It represented a significant part of the community's history and identity. As the sun set on the North Hangar, the race to protect the city of Tustin was just beginning. Debris swept up by the wind spread across the nearby community, affecting homes, schools, and public recreational areas. The remnants of this colossal structure contained asbestos that triggered a local state of emergency. Schools closed and events were canceled as anxiety gripped the community. ATI rapidly scaled its team to over 500 certified technicians and trained 125 employees in asbestos certification within a week.
This is a bigger scale, and we're excited about it because we're making not only a safety impact, but we're also making a community impact.
90% of schools, parks, and public spaces were cleared, and over half of residential properties had undergone inspection within days. ATI's team dedicated their Thanksgiving to work, recognizing their efforts in bringing back a sense of safety to Tustin.
We're all here for this, the common good of getting this job done and getting the people back to being, feeling safe and being good to go.
ATI specializes in the coordination and strategizing of disaster response operations. Within days, they established a command center, zoned the affected area, and deployed teams for thorough disaster response coverage. But despite setbacks from increased winds and debris, ATI revisited and ensured all areas were re-cleared and approved by authorities.
Seeing an actual abatement, containment on a larger scale, using the tent methods to build out the process, it's amazing just to see on this scale and to see the impact that it has on a big project with such intense.
After completing Phase 1, ATI continues to support the city with additional hazardous debris removal on an as-needed basis. But what truly sets ATI apart? It's their ability to scale. From a small leak in a local business or a catastrophe affecting an entire city, ATI steps up. Residences, businesses, and government agencies rely on ATI.
ATI today means family, it means safety, it means professionalism.
Their skilled workforce, emergency response fleet, and specialized equipment span the nation. Their disaster recovery arsenal includes cutting-edge technology, air scrubbers, dehumidifiers, and thermal imaging cameras. But their most potent tool? Compassion. As the sun sets on another day of restoration, ATI stands tall. Their legacy is etched in their work for the community and the hearts of those they've served.